invited our respected journalist hokolok. Ami from our side, I am the president of All Party Hill Leaders Conference. Ami all party hill leaders, jiman hills manu ase, ami eta party etia nohoy 1960 pora ei party asile. Ami kobologia kotha to hoise we have to say, what we have to say is that all the tribes people in NC Hills or Dimhasau, they are all indigenous people. They must live together. Aru in the name of industrialization, in the name of development, tribal hokolor mati, the land of the tribal people, forceful acquisition should not be done. We have seen and heard that in the name of development and industrialization, the land of the Karbi people and Dimasa especially, and Kuki people also, in Umrongso area, forceful acquisition is being done. This matter has been taken up by Honorable Madha Petkar also. It has happened not only in here. It is happening in Karbi Anglong also, in the name of solar project and Soinik school, in the name of development. The land, the precious land of the tribal people are acquired and they are sent to the forests. They do not, the tribal people do not know the value of land. It is we who should teach them the value of land. They know the price of land. They don't know the value of land. We must tell them, we must make them understand the value of land. They only hankering after compensation for land. Compensation is nothing but it is sale of land. Sale of land should not be encouraged. The Mahasau Autonomous Council Authority must take up a project to educate the tribal people to know about the value of land. And the authority under the leadership of Honorable Debolal Gorlosa, they must take up the scheme project not to encourage sale of land by the tribal people. We have seen forceful acquisition is being done in Umrongso area. Umrongso. See, it is Umrongso is a Karbi word. It is we Karbi people have not come recently. We have been here. Karbi, Jemenaga and Kuki, so far I know. It is written in the book itself, in history books. We have been here for thousands of years. We lived in the Borail range. And in our lamentation in Karbi people, when Chomangkan festival is held, at the time of lamentation, a kind of song is sung by some people, some women used to sing. In that lamentation, that is Kachar He buli koi. Kachar He, we call it Kachar He. In Kachar He, the word Asalu, the word Mukindon is mentioned, and Sumlang He and Malong Soling, these two words, the villages, Sumlang He village and Malong Soling village, which are in Borail range, on the other side of Borail range here. So that is a proper evidence that we have been here for thousands of years. We do not want to say that Dimasa are not indigenous. They are also indigenous. In the book it is written, they came to my bunk in 1836 from Dimapur. So now it is more than one or 200 years now, nearly 200 years. So they are also indigenous. Everyone is indigenous here. We must be careful. There are some agents, provocateurs, who used to instigate violence among the tribal people. In the policy of divide and rule adopted by the authority in the government, this kind of violence should not be encouraged. It should not occur. So we request our Honorable Chief Executive Member Debalal Gorlosa and also the Minister, I think, the Minister in charge of mining. I request them not to do forceful acquisition of land of the tribal people. They may be Karbi, they may be Kuki, they may be Dimasa. It should not be done. We should help them to understand the value of land. Again I say, tribal people do not know the value of land. They know the price of land. They don't know what is going to happen afterwards. So they used to sell their land. And compensation is nothing but it is sale of land. So this should not be encouraged. It should be immediately stopped. In the name of development and industrialization, the tribal people should not be destroyed. Thank you.